With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, find the derivative of cos x square plus 3 using first principle of derivative. Solution. First thing is this. What is first principle of derivative? Its formula is f dash x equals to limit h tends to 0 f in place of x plus h minus fx upon h. This is the formula for first principle of derivative that I will use here to solve the given question. So the question is given cos x square plus 3 whose first principle derivative I have to find. Now putting these values in the formula. So I can write it f dash x equals to limit h tends to 0. In place of cos x plus h, it will be cos, because in place of x I have to put x plus h whole square plus 3 minus cos as it is x square plus 3 upon h. Now we have to solve this equation, so I can write it f dash x equals to limit h tends to 0, and it can be written because we know the differentiation of cos is minus sign. So, but here I have to use the another identity which is cos A minus cos B. So we know cos A minus cos B means minus 2 sin A plus B upon 2 into sin A minus B upon 2. By using this identity, I will solve this part. So I can write it minus 2 sin in the bracket x plus h whole square plus A plus B means x square plus 6 upon 2. This part will be act as A and this part will be act as B into sin in the bracket x plus h whole square plus 3 minus x square minus 3 upon 2 and upon whole h upon. Now next term can be written as f dash x equals to limit h tends to 0 minus 2. Here 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, and when I will open the bracket by using the identity a plus b whole square, x square will be also cancelled out. So minus 2 sin in the bracket I can write it x plus h whole square plus x square plus 6 upon 2 into sin opening the bracket means x square plus h square plus 2hx. When I will open it, x square plus h square plus 2hx, and this x square and this x square will also be cancelled out. So remaining part is h square plus 2hx upon 2 and whole upon h. Now as we know, one more identity which is if limit h tends to 0, x tends to 0, sin x upon x, then its value is 1. So we can use this identity to solve this part. Now I will apply this identity in this part. Let's see. It will be f dash x equals to limit h tends to 0. Now minus 2 sin in the bracket x plus h whole square plus x square plus 6 upon 2. To solve this part, firstly I will take h common and then multiply it and divide it by its conjugate to take this in this form. So I can write it into sin. When I will take h as a common in the bracket, h plus 2x upon 2. Now in denominator part, which is only h, I will multiply its conjugate which is h into, so I can write h plus 2x upon 2 first thing, and second thing will be this h is, I have written 2 times this h. Now, and also divide those, so it will be become reciprocal, 2 upon h into h plus 2x. As it is clear that this part, I am highlighting the part, this part follow the rules. This one, sin x upon x value 1, if x tends to 0, here h tends to 0, and it is sin x upon x, so this value will become 1. Now I can write the remaining term, which is f dash x equals to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sine. In the bracket, what will be remaining? Opening the bracket and solving it, 2x square plus 6, and taking 2x square plus 6 plus h square plus 2hx upon 2. Bracket should be same. This part will become 1. So in the denominator part only 2 upon h into h plus 2x. Now I will take limit. So taking limit. When I will take limit, I will put 0 in place of h. Now after taking limit, when I put limit, I get f dash x equals to minus 2 sine. In the bracket, this part became 0, this part became 0, only 2x square plus 6 upon 2. 2x square plus 6 upon 2 will remaining, and in denominator part 2 upon h will be 0, h will be 0, only 2x will be remaining, and 2 and 2 will be cancel out. So we can say next term f dash x will be minus 2 and sine, and here also 2 can be taken as common, 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. In the bracket, x square plus 3 upon this x will goes in the numerator part. So the final answer after solution that will come is, we can say f dash x equals to minus 2 sine, and this x can be written here, minus 2x sine x square plus 3. This is the final derivative of the given question by first principle method. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.